This tiniest amplifier, the Cambridge Audio MXW70, is actually going to help you make your setups turn from 9 channel to 11 channels without having to spend a lot of money on the amplifier as well as in your AV cabinet. So let's deep dive and understand how this amplifier can help you convert your setup from a 7.2.2 or a 5.1.2 to all the way up to 7.2.4 fully blown Atmos home theater. Now let us understand the first reason why all of a sudden a Cambridge Audio MXW70 is getting so much of attention in the world. Well, first of all, we all know that the amplifiers that we commonly use are extremely bulky. You need space which is like 18 to 20 inches in depth, as well as the width has to be 18 to 20 inches. But that is exactly where MXW70 starts making things interesting. It is an extremely small, compact, tiny format where you have got a 2 inches height, 8 inches depth and an 8 inches width in the amplifier, which makes this a perfect companion in your AV cabinet without having to consume too much of space. Now I know most of you would have this thought in your mind that for a tiny compact form factor, will this amplifier really drive my home theater speakers to its best standards? Well. The Cambridge Audio is not an ordinary machine. This has got a Class D amplification which supports up to 2 channel at 70 watts for 8 ohm speakers and can go all the way up to 125 watts for a 4 ohm speakers. Now, beyond 125 watts, I have never seen a surround sound format or an Atmos speakers really needing that kind of power. That is why this amplifier is a perfect fit, especially for those of you who are looking to enhance their surround or the Atmos channels and go to a full-blown 7.2.4 or even a 7.4.4 AV setup. Now, the other reason why I feel that the Cambridge Audio's MXW70 is a good addition to your home theater setup is because it has got two types of inputs, balanced input as well as unbalanced input. Now, irrespective of your AV receiver, processor or whatever fancy equipments you would use to process the audio, you will need either of these two components, either an unbalanced port, which commonly is used in most of the AV receivers, and if you're buying a high-end processor but does not want to spend very high premium amounts on the power amplifiers, then Cambridge Audio has offered you the balanced XLR ports as well. Now, both these input ports can be connected to the AV processor, and these speaker ports can be connected to your final speaker outputs. And that is how you would be able to extend your setups. Now, apart from this, what you need commonly in a power amplifier is a trigger control. Now, the IR trigger control is extremely important. You do not want to add one more layer of button or a remote control operation to turn on another device. And that is where this amplifier is capable of connecting to your AV receivers as well as processors, and the moment you turn them on, this amplifier will also turn on using the trigger input. Now let's talk about the sound quality of this amplifier. We all know that the Cambridge Audio stands for a very neutral yet extreme detailed sound, which means that for your special sound or that 3D surround sound experience, it is not going to color any information. It will give you the exact same notes that you are going to get from the speakers without adding any of their own layers. Apart from that, Cambridge Audio has got a fantastic history of close to 50 years delivering fantastic hi-fi audio products, and they specialize in amplification. So, for a company which is known for amplification, for a sound which is going to be neutral and it is not going to color any of your speakers' information, I don't think that you will find any better partner than the Cambridge Audio MXW70. Now let's come to the final bit of it. What is the price of this amplifier? Well, as I told you, that most of the power amps today that we are looking out for in the market starts from anywhere around 90,000 rupees to a lakh of rupees. And these are from the mainstream brands like Emotiva, Tone Winner, Rotel, which is all the way expensive up to 1.5 lakh rupees as well. But the Cambridge Audio has placed it at a very sweet spot. This amplifier is available on an MRP retail price of 70,000 rupees in the Indian market. Now this is an MRP. For best offers on this amplifier, don't forget to hit the link that is shared in the description as well as in the pinned comments and get your home upgraded to a 7.2.4 setup now. Now since we spoke about the competition and the pricing, apart from that, let us see how Cambridge Audio can still stand out better. The first comparison is drawn with the local Pro Audio amplifiers. Now these local Pro Audio amplifiers are rugged. They are built for robust applications, but what they lack is a true hi-fi quality sound. And that is where the Cambridge Audio really adds value. They have got fantastic total harmonic distortion. They have got a very, very high SPL or a signal to noise ratio. Now, for all of these means the Cambridge Audio still works better. And lastly, for the balance ports as well as trigger control, these are missing points in any of the Pro Audio amplifiers. Then let's look at the second part, which is the regular brands like Emotiva, Marantz and whatnot in the power amplifier section. Now those power amplifiers are designed to drive your main LCR speakers apart from the surrounds or Atmos channel, whereas Cambridge Audio comes with a clear-cut distinction. They tell you that add this amplifier so that you can enhance your surround and Atmos channel setup. So they're not asking to use this amplifier with the LCR. They're saying, get me home and increase your surround or Atmos channels. And that is why I feel that Cambridge Audio MXW70 has got an upper edge. Also, the price is still a winning factor. Now, lastly, the main conclusion between any of the competition with Cambridge Audio will fall upon the size and the form factor. So finally, the Cambridge Audio MXW70 is not trying to be the biggest amplifier of your home theater setup. It is trying to be one of the smartest one by solving a real world home cinema problem, where you cannot unlock the full potential of your amplifier due to the less number of power amplifications but more number of processing channels. And that is where the Cambridge Audio MXW70 keeps their key focus upon. And now if you want to know if your AV receiver has got 11 channel support, whether you can integrate this small tiny amp into your home theater setups, feel free to reach out to our team using the link that is shared in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And I, Tanmay Mehta, along with my team here at Tap AV, will help you design and upgrade to some of the most fanciest home cinema setups in India. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.